Write the following in decimal form. The first one, 18 over 25. 18 divided by 25. So it is 18 divided by 25. So here's the decimal. So we write the decimal here. Here will be 0 because 18 is too small. And I will take 0, and here will be 25 into 7 is 175. You subtract, you will get 5. Then you put a number of zeros. First 0 down. Now you write 75. 25 into 2 is 50. So 18 over 25 is 0.72. Now you see the decimal is terminating because the division ends up. It's a terminating decimal. For the next one is 329 over 400. So let's divide 329, we divide by 400. So here's my decimal. I put the same decimal here. 329 is less than 400, so I'll put 0. I'll take another number. Now here 400 into 8 is 3200. You minus, and here you will get 0, 9. Now you bring this down, 0 down, so you get here 400 into 2 is 800. On subtraction you will get 100. Now it is time to get this decimal down, 0, and we know 400 into 5 is 1000. Here I made a mistake, it should be 2 here, so it's 2000. So we subtract and the remainder now is 0. So when 329 over 400 is made into decimal, the answer is 0.825. Now it is a terminating decimal because the division is complete. Terminating decimal. Now for the next one, 4 1 by 8. Let's convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it is 4 into 8 plus 1 over 8. So which is 32 plus 1 over 8, 33 over 8. So divide 33 by 8. So we have 33 and we divide it by 8. Here's a decimal. This is the decimal, we put the decimal here and we start dividing. Now 8, we know 8 4s are 32. On subtraction we will get 1. Put our zeros. So we take the 0 down. So 8 1s are 8. Subtraction you get 2. Now we get this 0 down. So 8 2 is 16. On subtraction this is 4. Now we get this 0 down and we get 8 5s are 40. So now 4 1 by 8 is 4.125. And on subtraction the remainder is 0. So the division is terminating, or this decimal is terminating because the division is complete. For the next is 1 divided by 11. So I have 11 here and 1 divided by 11. So I'll put a decimal. This decimal will come here. So I have 0, that is 10. it's too small, put 0, then put another 0. So I have now 100. 11 into 9 is 99. On subtraction we get 1. We bring this 0 down, it's 10, still it doesn't go, so I put a 0. Now I bring the next one, now became 100, so I will now put here 9. 11 nines are 99. On subtraction I'll get 1, then I'll bring another 0. It doesn't go, so I need to get another 0. This is 0 and it becomes 9. And if you notice, this subtraction will go on. So this becomes equal to 0.090909, and it goes on, non-terminating. 0.09, and we have the bar over 09 because it's 0909 that keeps repeating. So this is a non-terminating decimal because the division keeps going, but however it is also a repeating, it keeps repeating. 0909 keeps repeating. For the next one we have to convert into decimal, and that is 121 over 400. Let's go ahead and divide 121 by 400. 121, and we're going to divide it by 400. So here is our decimal. We write the decimal here. We extend this. So 121, 0, it doesn't go, so I put 0. So here now we have 210, and then we will put here now 3. So you get 1200. On subtraction there will be 10. So we bring this decimal, this 0 down. So it comes 0, it's too small still, and we bring another 0 down. So now you have 1000 here. We'll put 2. 400 into 2 is 800. When we subtract, we get 200. We add another 2 zeros. Now we are going to get this 0 here. So 400 into 5 is 2000. So the answer here is 0.3025, terminating decimal. So the next one is 3 divided by 11. So I have 3 and it is divided by 11. Let's extend this. So the decimal is at this point, so here we put the decimal right in the beginning. So 3 is too small, so we put 0. This of course will be 0. So 11 twos are 22. On subtraction you'll get 8. Now it's time to get this 0 down. So 11 into 7 is 77. On subtraction you will get 3. And we put another 0 here and then get it down. This is 0. So 11 into 2, 22. We subtract 8. We put another 0 down here and then we will get it down here, 0. And now here you find 7. So you must have by now noticed that it just keeps repeating and the division will keep on. So this is equal to now 0.2727, and it goes repeating. So that is 0.27 bar. 27 keeps repeating. So this is a non-terminating but a repeating decimal. For the next one, 10 divided by 3, we need to convert it to decimal. So we have 10 and we divide 10 by 3. So we'll put a decimal here and there will be a decimal here too. So now 10 divided by 3, we have 0. We'll put a 0 here. So here we have, I made a mistake, it should be 3. 3 threes are 9. So I'll just erase this out. and here you get 1. Put a 0, it comes 0 here. Now 3 3s are 9. You subtract 10 again, 1 more 0. So 3 3s are 9, and it will go on this way. Another 0, here 1, and it will go on. So this is 3.33, and it goes on. So it is 3.3 bar. So we say it is non-terminating. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Now for 9 3 bar 8, it's a mixed fraction, so let's make it into 8 into plus 3 over 8. So that will be 72 plus 3 over 8, 75 by 8. So we divide now 75 by 8. So here is my decimal. Put my decimal here. So now here 8, 9s are 72. Subtract 3, there's a 0 here, it comes down here 0. So 8 3s are, and we have here 24. On subtraction we will get 60. This is 0. Here the 0 is here, so we have 60, and 7s are 56. On subtraction 4. So this 0 again will come down here, and you will have 8 5s are 40. So the answer here is 9.375. It is a terminating decimal, because the division gets complete. Terminating decimal. Expressed in the form P over Q. The first one is 0.666. Now we know 0.666 is 0.6 bar. So let x be equal to 0.6 bar. That is my equation 1. So I take equation 1 and I multiply it by 10. So now I will get x equal to 0.6 bar, and I'm going to multiply it by 10. So it will be 10x equal to, since I multiply by 1 0, the decimal will come up here, so it will be 6.6 bar. This is equation 2. Now we take both the equations. The one is 10x equal to 6.6 bar. That is second equation, and we take the first equation up. 1x equal to 0.6 bar. On subtraction, 9x equal to 6.0. So x equal to 6 over 9 equal to 2 by 3. So 0.6 bar or 0.666 non-terminating will be equal to 2 by 3. Now for the next one is 0.47 bar. Now remember, the bar is only on 7, which is as good as 0.4777. It's only the 7 that is repeating. So you'll say let x be equal to 0.47 bar. This is my equation 1, and the equation 1 I'm going to multiply it now by 10. So equation 1, that is x equal to 0.47 bar, and we'll now multiply it by 10. You get 10x equal to, now multiply by 10, so the decimal will come here, so it will be 4.7 bar. This is my equation 2. Now in this case I need to take again my equation 1, that is x equal to 0.47 bar, and multiply it by 100. So I'll get 100x equal to there are 2 decimals, so it will come up here, 2 decimals, so it will be 47.7 bar. This is my equation 3. Now I take both these equations, 3, 2 and 3, and I subtract. So 100x equal to 47.7 bar and 10x equal to 4.7 bar. On subtraction, 90x equal to 43.0 and x equal to 43 over 90. So in this sum, just to summarize, if you have 0.47 bar, you first have to get your decimal before the recurring. So you need to multiply in one step, multiply by 10, and then you need to get your decimal after the recurring. So you have to now multiply by 100. That's how we got a second and a third equation. For the next one, it is 2.4178 and the bar is here, which means it is 2.4178, 178, 178, keeps repeating. So you'll say let x be equal to 2.4178 bar. So I need to take my decimal here before the recurring, so I need to multiply by 10. So I take x equal to 2.4178 bar and I multiply it by 10. On multiplying it by 10, I will get 10x equal to 24.178 bar. I can put this as equation 1. Now I again take x equal to 2.4178 bar. Now I need to get this decimal after the recurring, so I need to multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So I'll multiply this by 2, 3, 4 because I need to take it as 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So I'll get 1x equal to 2417.178 bar. I've taken the decimal from here to this point to what is after the recurring. So this is equation 2. Now subtract both these equations. So I'm subtracting, I will get now here is 1000, not 1000, it is 10,000. 24178.178 bar minus you have 10x equal to 24.178 bar. And on subtracting, here you get 0999x equal to here 24154.000. So this is x, so x equal to 24154 over 9990. So we take the next one, 1.5 bar. So we'll say let x be equal to 1.5 bar. So we multiply, this is equation 1, we take 1 and multiply it by 10. So we have x equal to 1.5 bar. On multiplying by 10, we get 10x equal to 15.5 bar. This is equation 2. So subtract both these equations. 10x equal to 15.5 bar, equation 2. So if we are doing equation 2 minus equation 1, 1x equal to 1.5 bar. On subtracting, we get 9x equal to 14.0 and x equal to 14 over 9. For the next one is 0.235 bar over 35. So again, let x equal to 0.235 bar. Now just do see what we do. So I need to first get my decimal out here. So I'll multiply by 10. And then I need to get my decimal out here after the recurring. This is the recurring. So I need to multiply then by 1000. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. So first I multiply, I got x. I will multiply this equation 1. X equal to 0.235. I'll multiply it first by 10. So you get here 10x equal to 2.35 bar. That is equation 2. Now the same equation, my next step, I have x equal to 0.235 bar, and I'll multiply this now by 1000. So on multiplying by 1000, I will get 1000x equal to 235 bar 0.35, but the 3535 keeps repeating. This is equation 3. So let me subtract both the equations. So 1000x equal to 235. Yes, here I should not be putting this bar here. I should just be putting 35. So here I have 0.35 bar, and here I have 10x equal to 2.35 bar. On subtraction, I'll get 0.99 equal to 233.00. So x equal to 23990. That's your answer. Now for the next one, 1.427 bar. So let x be equal to 1.427 bar. Now this is 1.427 bar. In the first part, I will get my decimal before the recurring. This is a recurring. So in my first, I multiply by 10, and in the next I have to get after the recurring. So because this is my recurring, to get after recurring, I have to multiply 1, 2, 3, multiply by 1000. So the first we'll take x equal to 1.427 bar, and here I'm going to now multiply this by 10. When I'm multiplying by 10, I will get 10x equal to 14.27 bar. I put this equation 1. Now in the next one, I take the same equation, that is x equal to 1.427 bar. Now as I explained to you, I need to multiply this by 1000, the next equation, and for which I will get now 1000x to get it after the recurring, 1427.27. This is equation 2. Now we subtract both these equations. So we have 1000x equal to 1427.27, and we had here 10x equal to 14.27. This is bar here. Subtraction, you will get 0.990x equal to, this is 0, 0, this is 3, this is 1, 4, 1. So your x is 1413 over 990. So basically in all these sums, you need to get your decimal before recurring and then after recurring. Like in this one, 1.5 bar. So first you get your decimal is already before the recurring, so you write x equal to, and in the next case you have to get it after the recurring, so you got to multiply it by 10, by one place, so multiply by 10. In this sum it was 2.4178 bar. So first you have to get your decimal before the recurring, this is your recurring, so you have to multiply by 10, and then get it after the recurring, which multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, by 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So get before recurring and get after recurring.